Dad,
Uh,
what happened? What's wrong? Doctor, do we need to hospitalize my dad?
no, you don't need to hospitalize him. He suffered a chest pain due to stress. But let him rest now. And we have to place a medicine under his tongue.
Yes.
And Amresh,
Yes.
you should get a checkup done tomorrow.
Sure, doctor.
Okay, I'll wait outside.
Yes.
If you require me, call
Yes,
me.
yes, please.
Okay.
come.
Okay.
What did you find?
Doctor,
What?
is the medicine in your room? I will bring it.
Please, Mom, don't cry. Otherwise, you'll be sick. Grandpa will be all right.
Oh, Amrish, how did this all happen?
Shom has walked out of the wedding venue. Samaresh, I don't understand. How could he do this to her? It's okay if he didn't wanted to get married. At least he could have said in the beginning, so many guests have arrived, so many arrangements have been done. What is wrong with him? I don't understand.
Weren't you also enthusiastic about this marriage? Shom was the pride of all of you, isn't it? Son of this family. Son of this. Now you see how he has trampled the honor of this family? I had warned you repeatedly. Now do you understand today? The sheltered ones always remained as sheltered ones. No matter how much value Dad and Aarti give to them, I knew that they will show their true face someday or the other. Hey, listen, you girl. What are you doing here? Just get the hell out. All the problems are happening because of you. Dad is in this condition today because he was worried about you. I'm talking to you girl. Can't you hear me? I've asked you to leave this place. Till the time you'll be here, Dad will remain tensed.
She won't go anywhere. She won't go anywhere.
Dad, nothing is going to happen to you, Dad. Dad, please relax. Please, Dad. Dad, Mithai is not going anywhere. Dad,
Calm down.
Dad, Mithai is here. Please calm down. Calm down. Have your medicine. Please calm down.
Please take this medicine.
Grandpa, please don't be excited.
Dad, can you tell me why you are shouting on Mithai? What's her fault? She was supposed to get married by now, Dad. She got all decked up and had reached till the wedding venue as well. Just think about it once. What if something similar would have happened with me then?
Hey. What are you saying, Shri? Why would something similar happen to you?
Sister Shri, I hope grandfather's sickness isn't of a grave kind. Grandfather, you worried for me and made yourself sick, grandfather. This is not good. Even my mother has fallen sick because of worrying for me. Why, grandfather, why? Why did you worry so much for me? Who am I?
Mithai, why are you crying, Mithai? It all happened because of me. It all happened because of me.
Please calm down.
You don't cry in front of Grandpa. Please, don't.
She's still sitting here. Dad is blaming himself for everything. And she's sitting in front of him and shedding tears. What is it called if not gaining sympathy? Why did you all agree to marry her off to Shom? If they were refused shelter on the very first day, then it would be best we wouldn't have been in this situation. And is there any proof that they were telling the truth on their arrival? See, she had arrived here in the same wedding attire. Trying to escape from someone, isn't it?
Mithai, why are you still sitting here? Let's go. Can't you see that they're having problem because of us? Come along.
Mother, where should we go? Grandfather will be heartbroken if I leave from here. Grandfather will think that Mithai has got hurt.
You are talking far too much. Since you have been asked to go from here, you will go. Say no more words. I'm telling you as well. You guys won't be able to live in this house anymore. Dad's condition isn't good. In this condition, at this advanced age, he won't be able to take any more pressure. Look for a place and leave this house as soon as possible.
Somresh, why are you saying all this? Shom walked out of this wedding today. And that's why he's in such condition. Why are you showering the anger on them? That is meant for Shom. If they go away, will your dad become fine?
Mithai, let's go from here. Let's go. Come along.
No.
Come on.
Sid, don't you think that you should show some sense of responsibility now?
What do you mean? What will Siddharth do?
Grandma, you and Grandpa had told me that Mom had blessed Mithai as the future wife of brother Sid, didn't you? Shouldn't Sid fulfill Mom's promise now?
Aarti had blessed Mithai as the future wife of Aarti's son Siddharth.
Will it be possible for you to keep the promise that your mom had made to Parvati?
Enough now. Enough now, Sri. Just stop it. You are younger to us, so behave like one. Why should we suffer because your mom had been a fool and had promised something to someone? Everyone clear this room now. Let Dad rest a bit.
How will Grandpa rest? Mithai's life is over. Grandpa will finish himself because of this guilt. Sid, only you can save Grandpa from this sense of guilt now. You treasure all of Mom's memories, Sid. Won't you value the promise that Mom had made? Look, if anything happens to Grandpa, then you will be responsible.
Why are you taking so much stress? Why are you worrying so much?
Because of me, Mithai's life become ruined. No, no,
Dad, no.
no.
Calm down, please, Dad. Okay, calm down.
If anything happens to Grandpa, then you will be responsible.
What are you doing here? Just get the hell out. All the problems are happening because of you. Dad is in this condition today because he was worried about you. If they were refused shelter on the very first day, then it would be best we wouldn't have been in this situation. And is there any proof that they were telling the truth on their arrival? In this condition, at this advanced age, he won't be able to take any more pressure. Look for a place and leave this house as soon as possible.
Sid, hey Sid, how is Dad? Please tell me about his condition. Please don't remain quiet. Please tell me how is Dad?
Siddharth.
Amresh, no one is telling me anything about Dad's condition. Prateen isn't also telling me anything.
Opa,
What
Opa.
is going on there? Why there is so much
Papa,
commotion?
listen to me. Everything will be fine. Calm down. Everything will be fine. Where is Dr. Ghosh? Where is Dr. Ghosh?
Yes, Amresh.
Doctor, please come inside and check if Dad is fine. Please.
Okay, come.
Sid, don't you think that you should show some sense of responsibility now? Only you can save Grandpa from this sense of guilt now. Shouldn't Sid fulfill Mom's promise now? You treasure all of Mom's memories, Sid. Won't you value the promise that Mom had made? If anything happens to Grandpa, then you will be responsible.
Doctor,
Oh, look.
how is my dad?
He seems a bit better.
Why, Lord? Why did you write these ordeals in my fate? Why did I become the cause of worry for everyone, oh Lord? Because of worrying for me, mother, grandfather, Everyone is falling sick only because of me. Nothing should happen to grandfather. Nothing wrong should happen to grandfather. Please protect grandfather. Please make him well. My grandfather, he's not a human being. He's Lord himself. Nothing wrong should happen to my grandfather. Please make grandfather all right.
You treasure all of mom's memories, Sid. Won't you value the promise that mom had made?
Will it be possible for you to keep the promise that your mom had made to Parvati?
Sid? Only you can save Grandpa from this sense of guilt now.
Sir, is grandfather all right? I hope nothing wrong has happened to grandfather. Why are you silent? What has happened? Grandfather? Is grandfather all right? What has happened to grandfather? What has happened to him? What has happened to grandfather? I hope nothing wrong has happened to grandfather. Please tell me.
Siddharth, look at me. Why are you doing this? Tell me what's wrong. There is so much commotion at home. Your grandpa is in such a bad condition. And on top of that, you're doing this drama. Why are you doing this?
What are you trying to do, Sid? What are you doing? Why are you doing this?
Priest, you start with the wedding rituals.
Sid,
Sid.
have you gone mad? Sid, you aren't understanding what you're doing. Is this some kind of a
I
joke?
don't crack jokes, Aunt. I don't crack jokes. Priest,
Siddharth, listen, my daughter has already gone through a lot. Whatever you are saying, are you saying it after giving it a thought?
didn't I ask you to sit here? Sit down. Priest, start chanting the hymns. I have to wrap this around, right? It's not possible for me to get married.
If they were refused shelter on the very first day, then it would be best we wouldn't have been in this situation. And is there any proof that they were telling the truth on their arrival?
I can't agree for this marriage.
What?
I can't agree for this marriage, sir. Mother? Mother, we will speak to grandfather right away and leave from this house. We had fled from Jonai due to fear. And our only mistake was to run away from there, right? Really, we shouldn't have come here. I had repeatedly asked you not to come here, Mother. I had repeatedly asked you not
no,
to come.
Mithai.
I had told you that Mithai can take care of herself. I had told you, didn't I, Mother? Didn't I ask you not to worry about my marriage? But you just didn't listen to me, Mother. If you had paid heed to my words, then today, I wouldn't be insulted in this manner. My marriage got fixed with someone. He walked out of the venue. And then another person came to show sympathy. Why do I have to accept his sympathy? Am I obliged to be sympathized? Doesn't Mithai have any self-respect, Mother? Without asking me anything, without talking to me, he just dragged me here and made me sit. Why, Mother? Don't I have any self-respect, Mother? Doesn't my self-respect have any value? Mithai is poor. Mithai speaks wrong language. Mithai works hard and earn her living by selling sweets. That's why anyone can do whatever they wish with her, right? Today, grandfather has fallen sick. Or else I would have left this house right now and gone back to Jonai. We don't have anything here, Mother. Our home is in Jonai. There is nothing left for us over here, Mother. There is nothing for us in Kolkata. Just because grandfather.
I'm doing all this for Grandpa. Only for Grandpa. Grandpa was feeling guilty today. He was thinking that someone's life is getting ruined today because of him. And that's why Grandpa suffered from chest pain. Did you see that?